In the ever-expanding realm of electric bikes, Engle's P275 has emerged as a beacon of style, seamlessly blending comfort, performance, and futuristic appearance. Hailing from the UK, Engle has a reputation for crafting e-bikes that effortlessly cater to both the demands of weekday commutes and the allure of weekend adventures. With the P275, they have elevated their game, proudly presenting it as their most premium offering to date. One of the standout features of the P275 is its frame-integrated luggage carrier, a subtle yet immensely practical addition. This thoughtful appearance enhances the bike's functionality, making it ideal for everyday use, whether it's navigating city streets during a daily commute or making a swift grocery run. But it's not just about functionality. The P275 is a visual delight, adorned with a posh Cell Royal saddle and an innovative airlifting seat post. This not only ensures a smooth ride, but also allows for easy adjustments, catering to the rider's individual comfort preferences. Beyond aesthetics, the P275 impresses with its performance capabilities. Fueled by a potent motor from Bafang and equipped with an integrated torque sensor, the bike delivers a personalized pedaling experience by adjusting assistance with each pedal stroke. The robust 70 Nm of torque makes conquering steep hills a breeze, all while adhering to European e-bike regulations. The LED display adds a touch of high-tech sophistication, keeping riders informed of essential stats during their journey. Efficiency is a hallmark of the P275. It features a silent, maintenance-free Gates carbon belt drive and an automatic 3-speed geared hub, ensuring a seamless and effortless riding experience. For those who prefer a more traditional biking feel, the street model boasts a Shimano 9-speed drivetrain. When it comes to range, the P275 doesn't disappoint, thanks to a substantial Samsung 19.2 Ah battery, promising an impressive 93 miles on a single charge. In the competitive landscape of electric bikes, Engle's P275 stands tall, offering riders not just a mode of transportation, but a statement piece that seamlessly combines elegance with cutting-edge technology. As urban commuters and adventure enthusiasts alike seek the perfect blend of form and function, the P275 is undoubtedly turning heads and setting a new standard for stylish, high-performance e-bikes. When it comes to practicality, the Engle P275 doesn't just excel in style and performance, it also boasts impressive carrying capacity. With the ability to handle up to 264 pounds, it may not be classified as a cargo bike, but it is certainly more than capable of accommodating your daily essentials. Whether you're commuting to work with a laptop and gym gear or making a quick grocery run, the P275 ensures that you won't have to compromise on bringing along what you need. While the exact price tag remains shrouded in mystery, the anticipation for the P275's European debut is palpable. The combination of its stylish appearance, robust performance features, and practical carrying capacity has created a buzz among e-bike enthusiasts, eagerly awaiting the opportunity to experience this top-tier urban commuter. As the P275 prepares to make its mark on European streets, the excitement surrounding its release suggests that it is poised to redefine the expectations of riders who demand both style and substance from their electric bikes. The P275 is not just an addition to the electric bike scene, it's a harbinger of a new era in urban commuting, and a testament to Engle's commitment to innovation and quality. What do you think of the new bike? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Have a nice day and good luck.